Hi everyone, today we will solve this amazing geometry problem. We are given that they are random triangle and there is a edge called A and two angles that are created with A called alpha and beta, and then we are asked to prove that this formula holds. By the way, here S is the area. Okay, firstly I will start to name the vertices and edges. I will call A, B, and C, and B here, C here. Okay, I will use sine theorem here. It is said that, for instance, in this equation we can write B divided by sine alpha is equal to C divided by sine beta. It is equal to A divided by sine 180 minus f plus beta, and it is also equal to 2r, circumradius. And we know that circumradius is ABC divided by 4 times area. So that is why we can write here it is also ABC divided by 2 times area. Also, we should know that sine, let's say 180 minus some random angle I will call D. It is also same thing as sine B itself. For instance, sine 30, which is, by the way, degrees, it is 1 over 2, and it is also sine 180 minus 30. Indeed, it is also 1 over 2. Even we can say that, let's take sine 210, it is negative 1 over 2, and we can still write it is also equal to 180 divided by 2 and 10, which is sine minus 30 degrees. Here it is also degrees here. And in other words, it is sine 330 degrees. Indeed, it also holds. Okay, according to this rule, we can say that 180 minus alpha minus beta is same thing as sine alpha plus beta. So I will just write it here, sine alpha plus beta. And then we can just derive B and C using this part only. Let's do it right now. To achieve B, we can just use this part and this part. It is A times sine alpha divided by sine alpha plus beta, and it is also same thing for C as well. It is A times sine beta divided by sine alpha plus beta. And for the area, I can use this part and this part. So for the area, we know the area is ABC divided by, actually just times sine alpha plus beta and divided by 2a. Here we can use just these formulas. Okay, let's just use them. So we can say that S is equal to A times sine beta times A times sine alpha times sine alpha plus beta divided by 2 times A times sine square alpha plus beta. In other words, we found that S is equal to A square sine alpha sine beta divided by 2 times sine alpha plus beta. Let's check. In the question we are asked to prove this, and we indeed got the same result here. So we can say that yes, indeed it is the formula for the area.